The thing that thrills me about working with my customers is seeing their face when I transform a project from of varying degrees. Their bathroom may be fine, they just want to update it, or it could be a major undertaking. And to see them in their face and their expression as they look at that new product in front of them. Yeah, they spent good money. They want a very good product. So I would say that this is the thing that matters the most to me, is seeing them excited about their completed work. A typical bathroom remodel for us generally involves the wet area. Okay. Now that can expand into flooring, wainscoting, moving, installation of toilets, lavatories, and those types of things. But it's generally a space that's dated, a fiberglass or an old tile shower unit that allows us to go in and transform it with a new product, new technology, incredibly proven installation techniques. So that's really what we're involved with, and that's what reflects mostly the work that we do today. What makes us distinctive and separates us from our competitors, I really believe, is our ability to listen intently to our customers. Because a lot of times they're describing to me their dream. You know, they've saved up for years, or they have to do this, or there's something else changing in their life, and they're trying to tell me what they envision. So our ability to listen to our customers and then to deliver on that product, I believe, is what really separates us. The team that I have, the team is incredible. The sales folks, the installing guy, all of these things are just their passion for what they do transfers into that wonderful experience with our customers. Chris Epps, he is our installer. We call him the Magic Man. I mean, some of the jobs we've done and what he transforms them into, I'm amazed every time I look at it. And when I can sit down with that customer and go, that's what it was and this what it is, and just see them so thrilled with the project. The team is incredible. It's incredible. If you're looking at a bathroom project or renovation for your home, I believe that 5-Star Bath Solutions is the best solution for you. We transform people's bathrooms into something beautiful every day. And not only do we do these bathrooms and perform this work, but we do it in a way that provides a solution, not just a project completion. I don't believe you'll find a better company to work with. And that's not me saying that. You can talk to our countless satisfied customers that we've already performed with so far. Give 5-Star Bath Solutions a hard look, because I believe at the end of the day, we are the right choice. We are the best choice. And we look forward to your next project and talking about your concepts.